What's up, guys? Bobby with Coombsauto. Is there a proper way to use your emergency brakes? What if I tell you, if you don't use your emergency brakes right, you could be messing up your transmission? In this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to use your emergency brakes to preserve your transmission. All right, so what does most of us normally do? So most of us, when we get ready to park our vehicle, put our foot on the brakes and then we just put it in park, right? That's what most of us normally do. And we don't even use our emergency brakes. And that is totally wrong. And then some of us, after we put it in park, we go ahead and put our emergency brakes up. Well, that help a little bit, but that really doesn't help with protecting your transmission. So how do you supposed to do it? All right, so when your vehicle is still in drive and your foot is on the brakes, then you want to now engage your emergency brakes before you put your vehicle in park. Because remember, the transmission and your brakes are on two different systems. And so you don't want the weight of the vehicle to push up on your transmission, because then that will mess your transmission up. Okay? And the same thing apply whether you're on a you park your vehicle on a decline or you're on an incline. If you ever notice, once you park your vehicle and you try to take it out of park, I would just feel really hard to get out of gear. That's because you didn't engage your emergency brakes before you put the vehicle in park. So this is something you really want to practice. You want to practice putting the emergency brakes on. If it's something you never normally do, this will help to preserve your transmission from messing up. So I hope this video was helpful. I'd love for you guys to subscribe. Also like the video and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about that. If you guys have any other tips, you can also share it. So thanks, guys.